In today's video, I'm going to show you how to design a Beehiiv newsletter step by step. Even if you're starting from scratch, by the end, you'll know how to set up your publication details, build a clean newsletter layout, add visuals and content blocks, and preview everything so your final design looks professional on both desktop and mobile. If you find this tutorial helpful, make sure to hit like and subscribe for more simple software walkthroughs just like this. All right. Let's jump in. First, log in to your Beehiiv account. Once you're inside your dashboard, look for the Settings option and open General Info. This is where you'll set up the basic branding for your publication, which is the foundation of a professional-looking newsletter. Start by uploading your logo. A clean logo helps your newsletter look more polished and makes your brand instantly recognizable. Next, add your publication name and your description. Your publication name should match your brand or newsletter topic, and your description should quickly explain what readers can expect. Keep it clear, concise, and focused on value. This helps new subscribers understand your newsletter at a glance. Once your publication settings are in place, click Start Writing. This will take you into the writing area where you can begin building your newsletter content. From there, create a new newsletter draft. Think of this as the starting point for your layout, where you'll combine text, images, and structure to make the newsletter easy to read. Now it's time to build the actual design. Start by inserting your title using a heading block. Your title should be bold, simple, and attention-grabbing so readers immediately know what the newsletter is about. After that, add a short introduction section. This intro should briefly welcome the reader, explain the topic, and set the tone for the rest of the email. To add more sections, use the plus button. Beehiiv makes it easy to insert content blocks, and this is where you can shape the layout to match your message. You can add text blocks, image blocks, dividers, and more, depending on how you want the newsletter to flow. A good newsletter design is not just about looking nice. It's also about guiding the reader smoothly from one section to the next. If you want your newsletter to feel more engaging, insert images between sections. Images help break up large chunks of text and improve readability, especially if your content is long. They also make the newsletter feel more dynamic and visually appealing. Just make sure the images are relevant and consistent with your overall brand style. For the written content, use bullet points whenever you're sharing key information. Bullet points make important details much easier to scan, especially for busy readers who may be reading quickly on a phone. Along with that, keep your paragraphs short and easy to scan. Long paragraphs can make newsletters feel heavy and difficult to read, while short paragraphs keep the layout clean and approachable. As you continue building, don't forget to include a footer. Your footer should contain your social links and contact information, so readers can easily connect with you outside the newsletter. This is a small detail, but it adds a professional finishing touch and helps build trust with your audience. Once your newsletter is designed, click Preview. This step is important because it lets you see exactly how your newsletter will appear to your readers. First, review the newsletter on desktop view. Check spacing, text size, image placement, and the overall layout. Then switch to mobile view and review it again. This matters because many subscribers will open your newsletter on their phones, and you want to make sure it still looks clean, readable, and well organized on a smaller screen. Take your time during the preview stage and look for anything that feels off. Make sure your title stands out, your sections flow logically, your images are placed properly, and your footer is easy to find. If something looks crowded or difficult to read, go back and adjust it before publishing. When everything looks right, you can either save the draft or publish it when you're satisfied. Saving the draft is a good option if you want to come back later and make more changes. But if the newsletter is ready to go, publishing it will send it out to your audience with your final design intact. And that's it. You've now learned how to design a Beehiiv newsletter from setup to final preview. With the right structure, short paragraphs, clear sections, and a few visual touches, you can create newsletters that look professional and keep readers engaged. If this tutorial helped you out, please hit like and subscribe for more Beehiiv and newsletter design tips. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.